Okay, Tay. I want you to kiss Granny. Okay, kiss Granny. Kiss. Ooh, sarap. One more time. Kiss Granny. Ooh, sarap. Smell the feet. Yeah! Baho. Bantut. Smell the feet. Stinky. Okay, one more time. Kiss Granny. Kiss Granny. Kiss Granny. Kiss Granny. Let me see your feet. Let me see your feet. Ooh. Are you Buzz Lightyear?
No.
No?
I'm Superman.
Oh, Superman. Tan, tan, Superman. Pam, pa-da-dam. Superman. You're Superman. Yeah. Superman. There. That's a Superboy. I'm a Superboy. Yeah. Okay. Thank you.
Sinisinok pa.
Asim. Maasim to isa. Kiss Granny. Okay, one more. Asim.
Say, what do you have on your hands?
What is this? What?
Orange.
Orange.
Yes.
That's orange. Look at Granny. Shut up.
Yeah.
Say, you try.
Yeah.
Why? It's good.
No.
Okay. Maasim to isa. Sour.
Naasiman din ako sa mukha mo.
Sinasaksak lahat eh.
Hindi pa nalululun. Time out, time out.
Wait! I'm still chewing. Kiss me first and sa asim eh. Kiss. Sarap. May laway-laway pa.
One more. One more, Granny.
Okay. Not too much.
Say, you need a haircut again.
Huh?
You need a haircut again. Orange.
Yes. May naghihilik.
Lakas.
Parang yung parang pang-horror. Yummy. Kiss. I love you. Oh, tama ka. Okay, bye.
Say bye, Tay.
Say bye.
Bye.
Say bye here.
Say bye first.
Bye.
Say bye to Mama.
Bye, Mama.
Bye.
Bye.
Hindi pa natatapos ang aming may part 2 pa pala to. Asim. Come on, JJ. Feed Granny.
This.
Yes. Come on. Ahem. Hey, don't do that. No. Guys, today JJ will feed Granny orange. What is this? What is this?
Orange.
Orange. Okay. Feed Granny now. I'm hungry. Come on, give me. Bakit maasim? Okay.
Huh?
One more?
Oh,
What is this?
orange.
What color is this?
Orange.
Orange. Okay, give it to me. Asim. Say it. Asim.
Zip.
Say it. Asim.
Zip.
Asim. Okay. Do you want some?
No.
No?
Yeah. Eat it.
Eat it. I'm hungry. Ah.
Yeah.
Is Granny hungry?
This. This.
Where? Asim. Bakit? Just wait. Okay. I'm chewing it.
Huh?
I'm still chewing it.
Okay.
Okay. All right. Oh my God. One at a time.
Huh?
One only. I cannot swallow everything. Just one.
Oh.
One.
What? Okay.
All right. Ah.
Ah! Here. Ah!
Oh my God. Can you pick it up, Jill?
Here. This.
Okay. Give it.
Huh?
Give it to me.
Ah!
Wait. She'll wash it.
No, she threw it.
Mommy, she's doing cash orange.
Ang linaw nun, ha? What did you say? Say it again.
Beachy, trash can.
Put this
Trash can, orange.
Oh, she threw it away in the trash can. Why? Ang linaw naman pala eh. Intinding-intindi nyo, di ba? Yeah. Okay. So, walang katapusang subuan nito ng orange. Kaya, dito namin pinatapos ang orange challenge. Say bye. Say bye. Say bye. Like this. Boy. This is little JJ. Our little devil. Yeah. You can open it. Open it and feed Granny. Can you? Open.
No, I can't do it.
You can do it?
No, can't do it. No, can't do it. Can you can't do
Bye.